Here at Tronix 3D, we really work with our customers to accelerate innovation and reduce supply chain risk. One of our missions is to deliver high performance parts at a really fast pace and more sustainably. One of our biggest challenges with multi-jet fusion is really just that we have this surplus material coming off with the process, right? We have to put a certain amount of fresh material in, and we have this used powder. It's overall good quality, but it just can't be used back in the process. So over the years, we really felt passionate that we knew we could do something with this powder, but there wasn't a process available to use it. And so that's really where the SAF ReLife process came into place, is we're able to take that waste powder that we've been storing and accumulating and make good, usable parts for our customers. One of the really exciting things about the SAF ReLife process is we've already seen some of the parts go into end-use components. Some of those end-use components are, going into the automotive sector. They're being placed on trucks, in cars, interior components. We're using them on some medical devices. All of these parts are going out to customers and consumers. So it's really great to see that waste material, that recycled content going out to an end-use application.